I got this cone shape spool for sewing, and this thing is designed to come out upwards, so and it won't fit in there. It's too big. So what I made a little contraption here. I got this wire that's curved. I believe it's called an S. It's shaped as an S. Then I just bend it open and put some zip ties on it on the spool. I didn't have any empty spool, the small one, so I just used this one. Anyway, this is the upper part. It lines up right here, goes down, and here's my spool holder. See, it's made out of a funnel, shaped perfectly there. Comes up. Let me run something through it. See how it works. Show you how it works. Let me get a tripod. Here's the view from the back. And here's the view from the top. See, here's the string. I'm still making masks, by the way. See, it works good. So this is how I use the cone shape spool thread, and it works flawlessly. So no problem so far. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.